That's the synagogue, and on the right side it's the mosque. And that's the Catholic Church, St. Francis.
They will be. A little bit more. Yes. May Almighty God bless all of you.
Hello everyone. Yep, after the Mass, we finally decided to visit the other houses here in Abrahamic Family House. So after the Mass at St. Francis Church, we went directly to the mosque kasi si Trey matagal na niyang gustong pumunta at pumasok sa mosque. And also, yes, nakaabaya talaga si Inday kasi yung damit ko at that time was inappropriate. Nakapalda ako but it's not too long, and then yung blouse ko is like medyo manipis. And it's fine because it's also our one way of showing our respect to their religion and belief. Simple lang, pupunta ka lang sa reception and then they will let you borrow abaya and then yung sa scarf. And look at that, it's like a dream came true para sa aming baby boy na finally nakapasok siya sa mosque kasi lagi niya nakikita yung mga nadadaanan namin na mga mosque, and he was always been curious if anong nasa loob ng mosque. Kaya ayan, super happy si Trey, super happy. Yes, what an experience. Good job, Trey. Ang cute lang talaga ng anak ko, diba? Super happy tignan na masaya siya. And then, syempre kami din, look at that, ma-amaze ka talaga sa design and architecture sa loob ng mosque. Wow, parang napaka-holy. Basta there's like something. And then, so after that, by the way, this is the reception hall kasi we're going to the next house, which is the synagogue. And if I'm not mistaken, the synagogue is the church of the Jews. Please correct me if I'm wrong, diba? Yep, so we are so excited because for the first time talaga namin na makapasok sa synagogue. And we were also curious kung ano ang nasa loob, diba? Because usually nakikita lang namin ito sa mga movies, diba? Yung sa mga Jews, pag something like that, diba?